So I haven't uploaded a couple days again because I don't know why. I wasn't recording. I was outside all day for most of the days. But today, this video was on a bit of the dumber side. Trying to play Osu with no keycaps. These are Razor Reds, very bad switches. But they hurt. Okay. What did I just? Oh, that's cool. They hurt to mash. So we're just gonna test them out on. Oh, I gotta move my keyboard like all the way over here. On Zen. Okay, that is weird. I can't aim either. Oh, this is gonna be rough. Oh, that was quick. Okay, that wasn't that bad, but like, if I can't FC it, then it's bad, so we're gonna try and FC it. Nope. We're not doing this map anymore. I feel like this is how every video goes. I try a map and then I get mad and then I don't play it anymore. But that's how this video is going too. So, suck it. Watch 3 tries, not have to use this map. We're not taking 50s. I'm redoing that try. It doesn't count as a warm-up try. That was a warm-up try too. Okay, that was attempt number 1. Didn't go the best. We got 2 more tries. How? Slider breaks are literally gonna make me suicidal.